Here we have it. This is the time for the spin for the first 20 Super Lux giveaway. Here we go. Zanel Keller, you have won 20 Super Lux. Well done, my friend. Okay, here we go for the second winner of the 20 Super Lux. Well done, Aiden. You have won second place, 20 Super Lux. Okay, and here we have the last spin for the 10 Super Lux. Here we go. Well done, La Vie Ebel. You've won 10 Super Lux.